Hello everyone. Namaste. Wish you all a happy and a prosperous new year. Today I am going to tell you about doubt and how Bach Flower Remedies can help us to come out of it. Every one of us get doubt before starting the work, or even while doing the work suddenly we feel doubtful whether we'll be able to finish it or not. This fear and doubt are the greatest enemies for human potentials, and because of this they are not able to progress in their work. From the childhood, our parents or our near and dear ones always keep on saying, you will not be able to do it, be careful, otherwise you will fail. And this actually is ingrained in our mind, and so we are not able to move further or keep trying. Doubt can be always removed by trying. If we do not try, then the doubt will always be there within us, and so will not be able to progress in our life. Now let's see how Bach Flower Remedies can help us in such situations. My aunt was there in the hospital. She was not able to pass urine, and her stomach used to bloat like anything, and they had to remove the urine by physical means. In such situations, she was feeling very doubtful what these doctors and nurses are doing. I used to go daily to go and see her, and she used to go on talking with me, and I used to just assist her. One day she said, I don't know what these doctors are doing. I am not able to pass urine at all. And see how much I am suffering. In such situations, I felt Gentine would be a very good remedy for her. And so the next day when I went to the hospital, I took Gentine and gave her Gentine. And immediately within half an hour, she was able to pass her urine and she became free. The doctors and nurses said that it's a miraculous cure, and they discharged her from the hospital. So this shows that our own doubt which we have in our mind prevents us from progressing or getting success in anything which we do. She was not able to even pass urine because of her doubt. She felt that the doctors and nurses are not doing anything, and so this doubt actually prevented her from even passing urine. So it is our own doubt that prevents our progress in life. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Gentine would be of great help. It will help us to come out of this doubt and start doing work and get progress in our life. Now let's see another situation where doubt is created and how Bach Flower Remedy can help. We want to cross the road, and so we stand on one side of the road and wait for the vehicles to pass so that we can cross the road. Some people, they get doubt whether they will be able to cross the road, and so what they do, they come forward and then again move back, feeling that the vehicles might come, and this keeps on doing, they keep on doing like this, and in the end they are not able to cross the road. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Scleranthus would be of great help. It will help them to cross the road when the road is free and not have doubt whether they should cross or not, and keep on moving forward and backward. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Scleranthus is of great help. Some students are very creative in their work, and so they bring out very good products, but sometimes they are not able to do it because of their doubt. The worst enemy for creativity is self-doubt. In such situations, the children are not able to create their things which they have in their mind, and they go on postponing it and feel that this will not be good. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy Clematis will help them to bring out their creativity and make them to get new products or even have a creative attitude and bring their creativity power to the public. If there were no dreams, then we must have not progressed so much in our life. See, we started with the stone man had progressed from the stone age to the modern life where we are now. This must have not been possible if there was no creativity in the people's mind. For such type of situations, the Bach Flower Remedy clematis would help them to bring out their creativity power without any doubt in themselves. People are unable to achieve their most important dreams because they feel that they will not be able to achieve them, or they feel that they don't deserve them, and so they don't even try it. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy hornbeam would be of great help. It will help them to pursue their dreams and see that they come out successful in that. Hornbeam is actually a tonic for the brain. It will boost up your energy and see that you achieve your dreams rather than simply postponing it. Children after 12th standard or after college are not able to choose their career because they do not know what to pursue. They have a feeling that they should do something, but they are forced by their parents or other teachers and say that this would be more helpful for you than what you have feel. In such situations, the Bach Flower Remedy wild oat will spark up the choice in their mind and will make them to see that they will pursue the dreams which they have rather than following others. Bach Flower Remedy wild oat is a very good remedy for choosing the career in children, those who have doubt on themselves. These are some of the remedies which can be of great help when we have doubt in different situations. If you all like this video, like, share, comment. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.